Do you suffer from persistent bloating and heartburn? If you do, then it is worth taking a closer look at not just the food you eat, but also how you eat, because how you eat can have an impact on your digestion. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 simple eating habits that you can carry out to help you stop bloating and heartburn. These 7 simple tips are very simple to carry out, and if you do them diligently, they would help stop bloating and heartburn. Hello and welcome back. My name is Lydia, and this is Time with Lydia, the pharmacist. The first simple habit that you can adopt to help stop bloating and heartburn is always sit down to eat. Take a breath and relax before starting your food. Tip number 2 that would help you stop bloating and heartburn. Sit up straight to avoid putting pressure on your stomach contents to reflux. And tip number 3, chew each mouthful at least 20 times, both to start breaking down and to activate digestive enzymes in your stomach. And number 4, avoid drinking anything with your meal to reduce the volume in your stomach and lessen the likelihood of reflux. And eating habit number 5 that would help you stop bloating and heartburn. Take something bitter before your main meal, as this will trigger production of digestive enzymes and prompt absorption of your meal. Bitter grain foods should be your first choice, and these include kale, spinach, watercress, and rocket. Now, eating habit number 6 that would help you get rid of bloating and heartburn. Eat warm cooked food rather than cold raw food, as this will benefit the digestive system. And the final tip that would help stop bloating and heartburn is avoid talking whilst eating, because as you talk, you tend to swallow air, and this makes bloating and heartburn worse. If all these fail, then visit your local community pharmacy and have a chat with a pharmacist. They would help you identify triggers and potentially prescribe an over-the-counter medication for you, or better still, refer you to your doctor if need be. I hope this video is helpful. You see, these are very simple steps that you can carry out to help get rid of bloating and heartburn. Please leave your comments in the comment section. Share your thoughts. Tell me what you do when you are bloated and you get a heartburn. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet done so, please hit on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my interesting videos. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.